That's quiz 2. We did indeed make up for our misstep before. And all we have left for this topic and this stream is the unit test. As always, when I do a unit test, I'm going to pause a little bit after each question to give you, the viewer, a chance to pause the video unless you're watching live, at which point you're just going to have to deal with how fast I go. Here we go. If you're watching at home, grab yourself a piece of paper, something to write with. Give yourself a chance to really see if you understand this stuff. It really is morale boosting to get these problems right. Here we go. The following is 74 times 39. Find the area of each part and then the total area. Well, 70 times 30 is 2100. 30 times 4 is 120. 9 times 70 is 630. And 9 times 4 is 36. So the total area is, let's see, the 1's value is 6. How many 10s do we have? 4, 5, 6, 8 10s. How many hundreds do we have? 6, 7, 8, 28 hundreds. 2886. I'm going to double check really quick to make sure I got that right. 2100, 2220, 2850, 2886. Yes. Okie dokie. That second time I went through and I added them all up one after another to double check. If you're ever unsure of your answer, you can always use a different technique to try to find the same answer. And if you do get the same answer, then you're probably pretty assured that you didn't make a mistake in that other method. 66 times 73. So 73 times 6 is 438. 73 times 60, therefore, is 4,380. When you deal with multiples of 11, it's nice and neat like that, right? Because the 10s and the 1's digit are the same. We're not actually doing two separate different kinds of multiplications. 8, 8 and 3 is 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 4,818 is our answer here. I hope. Nice. Moving on. Use partial products to multiply 35 times 77. Seven times 5 ones is 35. So the total, 1, 2450, 660, 2695. Estimate. 86 times 92 is approximately. It's about 90 and 90. That's 8100. The following area shows 53 times 62. Find the area of each part and the total. Well, 60 times 50 is 3,000. 50 times 2 is 100. 3 times 60 is 180. And 3 times 2 is 6. So that is 3,286. Moving on. Leah tried to evaluate 15 times 58 using partial products. Her work is shown below. Find Leah's mistake, if any. Well, that would be step 3. 8 times 110 should be 80, not 800. Multiply. Nice and straightforward. 84 times 95. I got 7,980. Another thing, by the way, that is much better about the writing it out method than the method that I am using is that it's much easier to pick out where a mistake is when you are writing everything out. If I make a mistake in my long multiplication with all of my scribbling and everything, sure, I do it fast, but I also can very easily make mistakes, and I can have a hard time pinpointing where those mistakes were. Estimate 66 times 28 is approximately. That'll be 2,100. And then finally, we have one more, 36 times 57. Find the area of each segment and then the total. Well, 30 times 50 is 1,500. 7 times 30 is 210. 6 times 50 is 300. And 6 times 7 is 42. Add them all up. I got 1952. Double checking that though. No, 2052. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 hundreds, so 2000, fine. And then 1052. Excellent. That is the unit test for multiply by 2-digit numbers. And that does get us to 100% mastery on that particular topic. So we're doing very well. We're going to back out into 4th grade. And it looks like we are currently 27% of the way through this curriculum. And bear in mind that we started today at 20%. So we made a little chunk of progress today, and that is all we are going to do today. However, I do plan on doing a couple more of these math streams this week, probably on maybe Wednesday and Friday, just so that I can continue, thank you, Silverkey, to build up a bunch of videos that I can cut up and put on YouTube. Now that I am starting an actual job with actual students, what I'd really very much like to do is get at least all the way up through 5th grade, because the school that I'm teaching at is a 6 through 12 school. So anyone at the school will be able to benefit from those videos up through 5th grade. So that's what I'm going for right there. For now, you can find me on Twitch and Twitter at MathDemigod. If you are feeling financially generous, you can hit the donate button down there, which adds to Operation Relocation, where I am trying to move to Sacramento, California, in order to take on a job as an actual professional teacher, but I need a little bit of help with moving expenses. Also, if you are interested in more educational resources, both for educators and parents, you can go to professor-cunningham.com, and that's where you'll find both the VODs of this stream as well as other resources that I provide free of charge. Take care, friends. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. See you tomorrow morning.